We've now implemented a new time-saving feature that has been requested by our users. You now have the added option to create a tenancy as a rolling tenancy. This means that after the fixed period, it will automatically continue to extend itself according to criteria set by you, and also create underlying rent schedule entries. The tenancy has now been set up as a rolling tenancy. Each time the software starts, it will now check to see if there are any rolling tenancies and whether they need automatically extending. New entries have now also been automatically created in the rent schedule, so you can easily and quickly continue to monitor the rents.